Oh
This
yeah.
sequence right here is like my favorite, bro. That whole sequence, when I watched it, I was like, yo, I have to watch it over and over again. There's just so many things about it that I loved. Even the words, like you talking about those people that felt forever. And this shot specifically. How many times do you shoot stuff like this? And how do you pick certain shots if you do shoot multiple? Because the way that you're moving your head down and getting this motion and the direction of the way the snow is falling and everything just felt perfect.
Yeah. I mean, that I had that in my mind when I was filming it.
Okay, so you had what in your mind? Like, what exactly was going through your mind?
Like, I mean, I think it's also just like a mix of on the spot stuff, where it's like I was just gonna leave my head up like this. You know, I could have done that, but then I think I dropped my head, and Jonah was behind the camera, and he saw that. He's like, "Oh, do that again." And then I was thinking like, "Oh, when I drop my head, maybe in the motion of the snow." It's just like a small detail, you know, that you don't. Sometimes you just think about it. Sometimes you don't. But
Dude, that's like my favorite. That whole thing was my favorite. The way that the head moved, everything about it. The snow was falling, like you taking it in and just like just taking it in for a second. Even those small moments that people don't understand, it's like when you act, sometimes it's, and I love this in a lot of your work, especially now with the dialogue, you use silence really well. Like there's a lot of looking and like it's not so much talking and like those moments and like moments like this, I think it's so super important to capture a feeling.
yeah, I think a lot of people forget sometimes that, um, you know, like I was saying with the short form stuff, you know, you have to adapt, you have to make things quick, you have to attention spans, whatever. But you know, sometimes in order to catch the right moment and to make you feel so, you have to slow down every now and then. You have to really slow down, and most of the times the slow moments are the most meaningful. And I think that's true with a lot of my work, and I think I really try to emphasize that idea because I love peace and quiet. That's why I like the Midwest, because there's not a lot going on. And I think there's a lot of value in slowing down.